representing Pink Shine Records.
Royce 5'9" is the name. Yo, y'all ready for Slim Shady? Yo, if Royce 5'9" is the name. Yo, y'all ready for Slim Shady? Yo, if you don't give a fuck, put the middle finger up right now. Hey yo, Slim, you ready? Nurse, we're losing them. Check the pose. Didn't refuse to respect the dome. Spectacles to take frames to the freckle nose. Corny looking white boys, corny and always on me. I was always sick of corny bullies picking on me. And I might snap when they just like that. I decided to strike back. Attacked every time on the bike rack. My birthday junior high. This kid said it's you and I. 3 o'clock sharp this afternoon. Your time. I looked at my watch. It was 1:20. I already gave you my lunch money. What more do you want from me? They don't try to run from me. You'll just make it worse. And I started to shake it first. Something told me try to shake it, some they take it words. I scream out my opinions feel like taking birds. Teacher, we got need a naked nurse. What's the matter? I don't know, my leg it hurts. Hey, I thought you said it was your tummy. Oh, I mean it is, but I also got a boogie. Mr. Madness, funny games are over. It's just for that so you're gonna get some extra homework. But don't you wanna give me a the scooty tape? Yo, what's the brain damage? Ever since the day I was born, trucks is what they used to say I was on. What? They say I never knew which way I was going. And everywhere I go, they keep playing my song. Brain damage. What? Yeah. Never knew which way I was going, but everywhere I go, what? Way before my baby daughter Haley. I was harassed daily by this fat kid named D'Angelo Bailey, an 8th grader who acted obnoxious. opposite. So every day he shoved me in the locker. One day he came in the bathroom while I was missing and had me in the position to beat me in a submission. He banged my head against the urinal till he broke my nose. Soaked my clothes in blood, ran me and choked my throat. I tried to plead and tell him he shouldn't be. He just wanted to leave. He kept choking me and I couldn't breathe. He looked at me and said, "You're gonna die, honky." The principal walked in and started helping him stalk me. I made him think they beat me to death. Holding my breath for like 5 minutes before they finally left. Then I ran up and ran to the janitor's storage pool. Kicked the doors loose and ripped out the board screws. Grabbed some sharp objects, brooms and board tools. This is for every time you I stole my seat in the lunchroom and drank my chocolate milk. Every time you hit my tray and it dropped the spill, I'm getting you back, bully. Now once and for good, I got the broomstick back as hard as I could. Beat him over the head with it till I broke the wood. Knocked him down and stood on his chest with 1 foot. Made it home later that same day. Started reading the comics. Suddenly everything became gray. I couldn't even see what I was trying to read. I went deaf and my left ear started to bleed. What? My mother started screaming. What do you want, drugs? Look at you. She beat me over the head with the remote control. Open the hole. My whole brain fell out. Brain damage. Oh my God. Shut up, you cunt. I said fuck it. Took it and stuck it back up in my head and I sewed it shut. Put a couple of suits. What's the hood? Brain damage. What? Shit. Louder. Say I never knew as well was what? Brain damage. What? Drugs, what they used to say I was on. What? And say I never knew as well I was on. And everywhere I go they keep playing my song. What? Yo, y'all not slam dancing enough. Yo, put a middle finger up and get a little more physical. Yo, if it wasn't for your whip, I'd have nothing to strip. And if it wasn't for wrist, I'd have nothing to slip. If it wasn't for the shrooms, I'd have nothing to chew. I'm just fucking with you, cause I got nothing to do. I came in the diner with skateboarders. What? Placed orders. 8 orders. Hit the with flame warmers. Let you inhale the Glock smell. While I'm ripping your wallet off, flipping the Molotov in your cocktail. Burning your contracts. Punch your Reagan arm in the face. Smash the glass and turn them to contacts. I'm on some shook shit. If it's missing, I took it. Nurse, look at this straight jacket, it's crooked. I go to jail, I murder you from a cell. What? Put a knife in an envelope and have you stabbed in the mail. How do you describe someone with a decapitated head when the rest of his body's still alive running? Coming with 5 gunmen, waiting to do a drop-off. So when you see the black 500, hide from it. For every 100 MCs rhyming about birds, only about a third who really said it without words. Yo, you ain't a thug. I can make you bitch up, pick the pick up, cock spit, you can swear it's raining slugs. I'm the hottest shit in the industry. I got thug on the block to get a win to me, defending me. You lack class and respect, get it direct, back blast the back, and even mad rap, we cover the back. You know how thugging this shit'll end up. Spit around, make you get up. You get hit, sit down and 10 up. I take it if you run your mouth, then you wanna get sent up. Pick it up, you leak your blood. Spitting flimmer. Now we rivals, cause of a small name, a title. You said, got the power and left with a power. Though if it wasn't for your whip, I'd have nothing to script. And if it wasn't for a wrist, I'd have nothing to slip. If it wasn't for the shrooms, I'd have nothing to chew. I'm just fucking with you, cause I got nothing to do. Yo, if it wasn't for your whip, I'd have nothing to strip. And if it wasn't for a wrist, I'd have nothing to slip. If it wasn't for the shrooms, I'd have nothing to chew. I'm just fucking with you. Yo. Put a middle finger up. Y'all wanna see a scary movie? We got the film right here. Yeah, I'm one of them pretty rappers. ain't expert. Bad and evil is coming soon. MCs get stuck at first, backing them up and boom. The shit is written. In my eyes, I'm the illest MC spitting. Leaving all of you cats sitting kidding. I gotta dish you. My niggas be cocking pistols. Shot split you. Fuck splitting the profits with you. 6% and y'all niggas is just pretend. Clicks for clicks. Pussy niggas sick with dicks. Niggas act bully and blast for the fast pity. My order was fully. Plenty of niggas back and semi. Speed charge, so you get paid. Run to the bottom is the sweet part. You can't be street smart with a Jeep car. 5'9", a street nigga with deep killing. I keep illin', my steve's willing to keep killing. Fuck rap, a lot of your all is just acts. Trust that, you rhyme all whack on rough tracks. Bustin' and we all black when you get bust back at. Fuck that, you get blasted at. You get laughed at. I'ma spit thunder, stick to my guns. Niggas is finished before they gimmicks. One hit wonders, what big balls? That's why when I spit, the click stars, I'm a pit bull. I'm just dog, I'm just raw. Split y'all, hollering sword. Then I dish y'all, all of y'all niggas get pissed on. No one drama, wanna make a scary movie. Rappers coming in with their team and carry toolies. You can jump right out of the screen and barely move me. We hard hitting, directing and starring in it. Sing that shit. Drama, wanna make a scary movie. Rappers coming in with their team and carry toolies. You can jump right out of the screen and barely move me. Yo, sing along. One man on the planet that'll drive off in the Grand Canyon. I'm part of a grand dam and land in a handstanding. Any man planning the battle will get snatched out of his clothes or ass. It'll look like an invisible man standing. I'm headed for hell. I'd rather be dead or in jail. Bill Clinton, hit this, and you better inhale. Cause if the young shit that chooses to go against me is getting taken advantage of. Like Monica Lewinsky. Came home in a frenzy, pushing the kids me, screaming a hand bag with 3 smokes sticking out of my pant leg. Fucking headache, give me a migraine, damn it, I like pain. And you should be anywhere that I might gain. You rap knowing you act. You act up, and I'm throwing you down a flight of steps. And I'm throwing you back up on. If they don't like the track, fuck off. The rap struck, I'm harder than getting hit by a Mack truck. And then back up on. And any half-ass no rapper than trespass. Better be ready for the second celebrity death match. So tell the medic to bring the medication in quickly. I'm sick of it a Tupac. Dedication to Biggie. I'm free falling feet first out of a damn tree. And stampede your chest till you can't breathe. And when I'm down to my last breath, I'ma climb the Empire State Building. Get to the last step. Yo, no more drama. Wanna make a scary movie? Rappers coming in with their team and carry toolies. You can jump right out of the screen and barely move me. We hard hitting, directing and starring in it. Y'all want drama? Wanna make a scary movie? Rappers coming in with their team and carry toolies. You can jump right out of the screen and barely move me. We hard hitting, directing and starring in it. Boston, slow that shit down. Where the fuck y'all at? Hold on. The fuck you at, Boston? Yo, where the ladies at, man? Alright, just making sure y'all here. Where my thugs at? Where the fuck the thugs is at? Alright? Hey! God damn it! Let me tell you something right now. Hey! If you don't play that next goddamn record, I'm gonna kick you in the nuts. You son of a bitch. Right now, goddammit. Yo! What the fuck is going on, Boston? I must say, this is just a little bit liver than the last show I was at in Boston. Alright, I must say that it's a lot liver than the last show in Boston. Alright? Hey yo, y'all not slam dancing. Listen. Somebody gotta bang some heads or something. Y'all almost was there, right there. Y'all was almost there. I see you. When it was almost there, we can't stage dive. It's a rule. If somebody gotta slam dance, somebody gotta be hurt before the night is over. This is motherfucking Slim Shady. Even if it's gotta be me, somebody's gotta get hurt up in this bitch tonight. Look. I don't promote violence, I just encourage it. Yo, how many motherfucking people remember this type of shit? Just the two. Just the two. Sing that shit. Just the two of us. Say just the two of us. Sing it, yo. Just the two of us. Come that shit. Just the two of us. Yo, just the two of us. Hey, yo, come on in, hey, we're going to the beach. Have a couple of toys and with that Courtney, oh, where's mama? She's taking a little nap in his trunk. Oh, that smell. Daddy must have run over the skunk. Now I know what you're thinking. It's kind of late to go swimming. But you know your mama. She's one of those type of women who do crazy things and she don't get away, so it don't fit. Cut that motherfucking record off. Let go of it. Fuck that shit. Oh, hello.
We got company.
How are you? My name is Marshall.
It's like that?
My name is Marshall.
It's like that?
It's very nice to meet you. Are you gonna dance on stage with us tonight?
It's like that? It's like that?
If you're gonna dance, you're gonna dance with us tonight? You gotta show your breasts. You gotta show your breasts. You gotta lift up your shirt. You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
The whole crowd. Come on.
Come on. Hey.
We want tits. 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 Yo, we not leaving until we see.
Listen. Tits or she's gotta go.
Tits. Tits and go back.
Take what off? Take my shirt off? I'm not here to impress the guys though.
Alright. Ladies, this is just for you.
Alright. Now.
Your turn.
Now. Come on, wait. What are you talking?
Do your rap and I'll take it off.
You gotta go. I'm sorry. That's what I'm talking about. That's the fuck I'm talking about, Boston. Alright? Alright, hold up. Me and Royce are gonna get into a little something. Listen. Shh. I gotta have silence for a minute. Listen. When we play this next record. Listen. When I do pop pills, I keep my tube socks filled. And pop the same shit that got Tupac killed. Spit game to these hoes, like a soap opera episode. And punch a bitch in the nose till the whole face explodes. There's three things I hate: girls, women, and bitches. I'm not vicious to walk up and drop kick midgets. They call me Boogie Night, and stalking and walks offward. Stick figure with a dick bigger than Mark Wahlberg. Coming through the airport, sluggish, walking on crutches. To hit a fucking pregnant bitch in the stomach with luggage. It's like a dream, I can't snap out. I black out, I'm back out. Looking for somebody up to beat the crap out. I'm bringing you rap singers 2 middle fingers. And flip you off in French, then translate it in English. Then I'ma vanish from the face of this planet. And come back speaking so much Spanish, pun can't even understand it. Royce, give me a break just 1 second, alright?
Yo. Royce 5'9" is the name. Check it. I'm in shape to give you a quick whooping. Hard ass hole in the wall. Frowning up. Niggas thinking you sick cause you sick looking. I'm heated. And I'ma go to trial blowing my triggers. Y'all niggas ain't rough. You need to smile more in your pictures. Split somebody. Serve the nigga whose style you bit. That bit like 10 niggas that bit somebody. Top of the world. All that's around you is beneath me. Me learning from your mistakes is the only way you can teach me. Mo thunder. under, cock and big heat. So underground niggas with beef can get more under 6 feet. Man your missiles, I plan to dish you, unleash. Gun shine bright. Y'all niggas, y'all need to rhyme like 5'9". Now I'm signed with ice. What?
Yo, watch for Royce a little bit later this year. Tommy Boy Records, alright? Hey yo, before we start this little record, this little next record, this little something, whatever it is. Listen, I gotta see everybody in the goddamn back, everybody in the fucking front and in the back. I see everybody in the front already. Where's the hands in the back? Fuck the hands, where's the middle fingers in the back? Everybody was born with a middle finger, use that shit. Use that shit and stick it up. How many motherfuckers don't give a fuck? Don't give a fuck. Throw your middle fingers in the air.
Hey yo,
Like you just don't care.
sing along if you know the words.
Yo,
Sing along. Sing along with
listen. What?
Slim Shady, brain dead like Tim Brady.
I'm M80. You look like that kid lady.
What?
Buzzing, 30 dozen, naughty rhyme rhymer.
Person that you play worse than what?
Rhymer. You asking the motherfucker you get yourself from. You ain't gonna sell some copies to get presses over out.
What?
Fuck it, what we coming out the open?
Doing action, crack, smoking, doping.
My name is Russell Mather, so now I'm holding. Have a disease, and I don't know what to call it. Excuse me, wait a minute. Hold on a minute. Listen.
What just happened?
What?
What happened?
Somebody said I suck?
Bring him up on the stage. Let's battle. Right now. What? Motherfucker.
I'll even help you up to the stage. Come on.
Up here, motherfucker.
Listen. Run that shit. Fuck him. Run that shit. Fuck him. Alright? Hear me? Listen.
Roast him.
That ain't Cage.
Go, hey.
Ain't that faggot Cage right there? One more time, we start.
Hey, Marshall.
Cause I'm coming up quick to ship your butt.
Bought a ticket to your concert.
Coming with your ass.
I'm coming out swinging so fast that it make your eyes spin.
You getting knocked the fuck out like Mike Tyson.
The proof is in the blood.
Cause that's the Sean Holtman.
I sent your motherfucking road words to Ron Goldman.
You see me on your block for 2 blocks. The fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on?
Alright. Slim Shady is getting mad. He gonna have to battle somebody. They pissing him off. Yo, we need some help with the power supply to the DJ booth, okay? Shit keeps cutting out. What? We need some tape, apparently.
What the fuck is going on, Boston?
Kill the
We need
engineer!
some tape. Anybody out in the crowd got some tape? To help our poor little system out here? We need some fucking tape.
Yo, where's the ecstasy at?
Said it. Slim Shady said it. You were cordially invited to the... You got some? Let
I'm
him
gonna
know.
hold you to that. What's your name?
Go around. He said go around. Go around that way. To the...
Yo, my man Frank got the ecstasy after the show.
Make sure that you get on stage.
If we don't got it, we gotta fucking make better against them. Freestyle some more?
Listen. Listen.
Hit him.
Hold on, listen. My 9 is living you 6 feet when I spray rounds. Hit you with 6 shots in midair and 4 more on the way down. Cause X-ray is grace to a kid tearing the play. You lay down on a stretcher.
Don't get carried away now.
No pun intended. Just hop out of your whip and leave it unattended. Before I whip out this gun and end it. Unless you want to dent it with bullet holes any minute. Cause I can leave you infinite full of those, even if someone's in it. Snatch the airbag, hit the corner and park it. Corner the market, I got it tied up in a chair and gag. Bitches get slapped and grabbed by the hair and drag like cave women. On the grave with Marilyn Manson. Yo.